Hi, I'm Dr. Martin. I want to talk to you about laser hair removal because I just love the machine that we have. Now, there are two different kinds of machines for laser hair removal, but actually one of them isn't really a laser. It's called intense pulsed light, or IPL for short. IPL is a white beam of light, which means that it produces all wavelengths. And then a series of filters are used so that if you want the wavelength that treats hair, you use the right filter. So the problem is that when all the energy goes into making the white light and just a little bit goes through to make the 800 nanometers, which is what you need. Our machine, on the other hand, is a true laser, and it's born and bred to just produce 800 nanometers. So all the power from that laser comes out at 800 nanometers, and that's the wavelength of light that you need to get rid of hair. Now, the way that laser works is the heat from the laser goes down the hair shaft and heats up the hair follicle where the hair is growing. But there's the catch. The hair has to be growing in order for it to work. So, for instance, on your legs, one hair that's growing actively when it gets hit with a laser will be killed right away. But another one might be asleep for as long as 3 months, not growing at all, just sleeping. And then at the end of those 3 months, it wakes up and it starts to grow. Now you can treat it with the laser. And that's why you need a series of treatments. We need to treat you every 6 weeks for a number of times, usually about 6, sometimes 8 times, to make sure that we hit every hair at exactly the right time in its cycle. The good news about laser hair removal, unlike waxing, is that you can shave before treatments. In fact, you have to. And that will come as a welcome piece of news to those who are used to having to grow out the hair before waxing. It's especially good for our clients that are coming in for lip and chin hair, which is probably the most common one that we do. A couple of other things you need to know. We prefer that before you come in for laser hair removal, you haven't been out in the sun within about the past 2 weeks and that your skin is not tanned. Also, you cannot be on any antibiotics or other medication that sensitizes you to light. But come on in and we'll tell you a bit more about it. Laser hair removal is safe, effective, and surprisingly affordable.